There's a train. Yeah. Oh, that's the 110 engine with the little SW900. I was just parked in the. So I have to film here because I'm afraid that the sun would be too bright. I wouldn't be able to see the fully the engines. Oh, okay. I just came back from the train. I had to get back here to watch the episode. Sheldon's back from off his holiday train.
Amy's lips tasted like the brownie we had for dessert. The banjo-playing conductor was missing a finger, but he made up for it with his can-do attitude.
Oh, okay. Okay, continuing the train, but a different angle. No, I'll give it a try. So.
The lawn of the legislature has been transformed into a celebration.
Yeah.
Big screens showing a host of international matches today. The usual welcome join us live in Victoria. So, what is the atmosphere like?
Well, the piece of the atmosphere here is, I would say, celebratory and festive, including the goal they just celebrated behind me.
Few rocks anyway. So.
100 people out taking in the action, including on a big screen to my side, as well as skills events in the game of 3-on-3 behind me. And there is no doubt that many parents and kids alike played hooky from work or school today. The event, hosted by FIFA Canada and dubbed in 40 communities across the country throughout the World Cup. Skipped work, skipped school, and decided to come down and have a look. So that's fun. Brilliant. I mean, very fortunate you got a beautiful day, studying almost in Victoria. I love football, so it's a wonderful event.
Like a good watch party. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's just really fun.
Great. I didn't expect
Yeah, it's definitely a long train. Yeah, we're just two long engines pulling out of them on a car. So. Wait till later, probably. I don't know what time the train. I missed the train yesterday after they hauled a bunch of grain hoppers or mixed grain or whatever it was yesterday afternoon. But anyway, Tuesday afternoon, no.
During the tournament in the following 5 years, the tournament today kicked in $1.7 million.
Yeah, anyway, that's about a wrap here. Okay, continuing the train, but a different angle. No, I'll give it a try. So.
The lawn of the legislature has been transformed into a celebration.
Yeah.
Big screens showing a host of international matches today. The usual welcome join us live in Victoria. So, what is the atmosphere like?
Well, the piece of the atmosphere here is, I would say, celebratory and festive, including the goal they just celebrated behind me.
Few rocks anyway. So.
100 people out taking in the action, including on a big screen to my side, as well as skills events in the game of 3-on-3 behind me. And there is no doubt that many parents and kids alike played hooky from work or school today. The event, hosted by FIFA Canada and dubbed in 40 communities across the country throughout the World Cup. Skipped work, skipped school, and decided to come down and have a look. So that's fun. Brilliant. I mean, very fortunate you got a beautiful day, studying almost in Victoria. I love football, so it's a wonderful event.
Like a good watch party. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's just really fun.
Great. I didn't expect
Yeah, it's definitely a long train. Yeah, we're just two long engines pulling out of them on a car. So. Wait till later, probably. I don't know what time the train. I missed the train yesterday after they hauled a bunch of grain hoppers or mixed grain or whatever it was yesterday afternoon. But anyway, Tuesday afternoon, no.
During the tournament in the following 5 years, the tournament today kicked in $1.7 million.
Yeah, anyway, that's about a wrap here. Okay, continuing back to the Southern Railway train. I have to sort of split both scenes together here. Yeah, it's just a rock train anyway. Yesterday was cool to see a hopper train going at this time. be, I don't know how many racks you got on this train, but probably a lot anyway, but. Oh. That's the 110. That's the sound of the whistle of the Southern Railway on the return trip back to Westminster. I think it may got some loaded racks. They were busy for the last few hours up there and getting the racks loaded or so. Anyway, that's it for this Tuesday evening.